something which is very alarming.
Kabala Sdang kum ka radio talk show lani ka program ya kren hapo radio syapang ki playo kala long ka Lynti jingkala kabala pen khot ya ki Lynti ki Syngkien kala pen kala ya ki jingmut jing perkhat bar kala pen dan buram ya ka jing start jing syampang jong ki maintenance parliament ki bala lek phai no na kani ka sla perthai tungin ya ngap ya ki khana syapang uklawat ka me mariang na nong ba shillong uba Nicholas Kharnami unong seng jong ka campaign my Meghalaya my pride bar ka jing Sdang terekam kabasu thid ha kaban kentiu ya kiriti dustur tenrai kibayajan bat kami mariang bat ban yakun persha ya ka jing jakria na ki plastik
ha ka perthai ka balangam jelop ha ka plastik uba Nicholas Kharnami ula jed ban pen kho chua ka wei ka Lynti om tang da ki ti ki jong u hindai da ka jing kemen baklan phai dia ka jing Lynti kelas dang hox nam ar shipo kum ka jimpe benapat ba ha ka program ekran ha po radio bala ai keteng ka playo club ha FM radio station jong ka ulala kani ka jimpe benapat ba la ne ka campaign ka thmu ban kintiu ya ka jimpe dan kam ya ki plucking tenrai ban ya ka bapendan kam ya ki plastic ki bran shibun ki jingma bat ki jingkta ya ka me mariang ha ka bas dang lakhot da ka mai shalong my pride bat ka bala pat shaka tabut bala tho ya ka phang pedeng say no to plastics la ne ong air me ki plastic da ka playo club ka bala jobru ya ka khusnam ka beningkong ha ka jingya republic day parade ha uju snam
when I got an opportunity once again to work for radio, which is Radio Mirchi on 91.1, that's when I got another opportunity to use radio as a medium to communicate and to raise this concern with regards to environmental issues. And that's when I came up with this show of mine called My Shillong, My Pride, to quiz people about Shillong and its beauty and its events and its history and everything else. But at the same time, it also took over from the Partners of Playo campaign to become a campaign for My Shillong, My Pride.
Kajing Sdang ya Lynti ka pura jang u kelas dang limba ka rensan social media ha ka ba ulapen pau perthai ya kajing berat pathar ya ki nyut kinyat bat ki jakya haslim per ka surok bonfire ka penyusno ya ka South Furlong bat ka Shillong College wilayah peteng ya kajing penapat ba ka jong u bat ulabu ha social media na ka benta apu pras ngi lenter tadhadu ba ka ne ka jaka kandak hoi da suba sendon umau mer ubadei ujing job ubakhrau tam e jong u kajing ade ka bachli jong uba Nicholas bat ka mariang ka wanru ya kijing kan ma jong u ya ki por jinglong khana rit ukan ma kumno imi e jong u ha kisnam khat khanai spa pha poter ter itam ki plastic na surok sat yaki bat that pen khyang yaki bat nang ta sa pendan kambyang yaki pan song yaki khater khong hadukan ka jong i katu kat ni snam hadian lingba ka ni ka jing penapat ba ka jong u ula sungut hu shay kadar ba ki jingle jong imi e jong u kidai kidak kishin ki beningkong e ha ka baidei bat ka jinget tiplem ya ka me mariang.
So when we happen to ask, when I happen to ask her, why Mekha, why are you doing this? And she said, this is going to be the greatest threat for our environment. That is what the vision or the farsightedness that she had. That message was actually sowed in my heart to actually eventually realize that I need to carry the baton. I need to carry that flame of hers towards this consciousness that she had with regards to the environmental concerns that we'll be facing day and age.
Kajing Lynti jong uba Nicholas Kharnami kapen kan mawingi ba kijing kala ki bashisha kisdang omtang na kijing ai jingkran lani ha kijing perta hende ha ki kam ki baret e ki bayai beteng nakapor shakapor bantam ki jabo jaban banjit ya katenrai banyai ru marwe ladalong kabaran kam namar hateng banyalam ya kajing kala don kam tang uwei ubri ubashlor shisha bansdang yaka Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya
ha ka jingja basngausan a uwei usab divisional agriculture officer